Hi, this is Larry from MSC America. I'm going to give you the top 5 reasons why Uniden should be your choice for the ultimate in laser radar defense systems. Number 1, totally designed, built, and assembled by Uniden. Uniden is proud that not only do we design the product, we actually make every piece that you see in front of the table. Why is that important to you? You can be rest assured that you're going to get top-seated performance from every one of the components because they've been tested and QC'd at our factory. Number 2, complete solutions for all your needs. Uniden offers you complete solutions for all your radar and laser defense requirements. It starts with our dash mount detectors, available with the R4W and the R8W, which I'm holding in my hand. From there, we go to the ultimate in stealth laser radar defense with the R9W, ultimate performance. Number 3, unparalleled IVT filtering. Now, I know all of us have been in cars with radar detection systems that are constantly beeping and not being paid attention to. We understand that, and that's why Uniden has developed the ultimate in IVT filtering. IVT stands for in-vehicle technology filtering. For instance, a lot of the new cars are using automated cruise control systems that vary speed based on how close you are to the vehicle. That's done with K-band radar. That's not something you want to be notified about by your radar detector. Uniden has you taken care of. Number 4, ultimate stealth installation capabilities. The R9W allows your local technician at your local retailer the ability to do some amazing interior integration. What we see here is the screen from an F-150 Raptor R. We have included the controller right into the vent system of the vehicle. And then this is the overhead console where we've incorporated the display. Once this is put back in the vehicle, it's going to look like that came directly out of Ford. Number 5, completely customizable. Uniden provides many customizable solutions for the way you drive and the market you drive in. Things start with a dash mount radar system. That can be added to with the laser transponders that keep you protected against the new technology found in laser guns. From there, you go into our full built-in R9W system for the ultimate reference stealth installation. So there you have it, 5 reasons why Uniden should be your choice for the ultimate in radar laser defense systems. Please visit our website at MSC-America, where you can find local dealers and local installers in your area. Know before you buy.